Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we will be taking a look at 15 stocks recommended by ChatGPT that could make you rich in 10 years. So before we begin, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel for weekly stock tips and personal finance advice. Let's get started. The creation of ChatGPT and other AI chatbots is one of the most important steps forward in artificial intelligence, or AI. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI, an AI research and deployment company. Deep learning is used by the chatbot to respond to text inputs from the user in the form of a conversation. Ever since its release, ChatGPT has taken the world by storm, making researchers, users, and even investors even more curious about the artificial intelligence sector and what it has to offer. With that said, let's take a look at 15 stocks that ChatGPT recommended that could make you rich over the next 10 years. Number 15. Johnson & Johnson, ticker, J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a healthcare conglomerate that makes a wide range of consumer health products, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. J&J has a strong history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years. The company researches, develops, manufactures, and sells health and beauty products across the globe. Some of its brands include Johnson's, Clean and Clear, and Tylenol. Guggenheim analyst Vamil Devan holds a neutral rating and $161 price target on Johnson & Johnson shares as of March 2023. Wall Street analysts have an average price target of $180 on Johnson & Johnson shares, with a high forecast of $215 as of March 2023. They see an upside potential of 16.94% on the shares. Johnson & Johnson is also a reliable dividend payer, having raised its yield for 60 years in a row and offering a dividend yield of 2.94% as of March 2023. Number 14. Procter & Gamble, ticker, PG. Procter & Gamble is a consumer goods company that produces a range of household and personal care products. PG has a strong global presence and a portfolio of well-known brands. PG has increased its dividend for 65 consecutive years. On March 3, 2023, J.P. Morgan's Andrea Teixeira upgraded Procter & Gamble Company shares from neutral to overweight. The analyst also raised her price target on the stock from $150 to $155. Procter & Gamble Company shares have been up by 1.75% in the past 6 months, as of March 15. Analysts see an upside potential of 12.61% on the shares and have placed an average price target of $157.48 on the stock, with a high forecast of $170. This shows that the stock is likely to rise higher, yielding profits for shareholders. Procter & Gamble Company is also a reliable dividend stock, having raised its yield for 66 years in a row. As of March 2023, it had a dividend yield of 2.61%, which gives investors a steady stream of passive income. Number 13. Microsoft, ticker, MSFT. Microsoft is a technology company that develops, licenses, and sells computer software, consumer electronics, and personal computers. MSFT has been growing its cloud computing services, and its presence in the gaming industry has also been growing. Microsoft has increased its dividend for 20 consecutive years. The company offers products such as Microsoft Office, Teams, Skype, and more. Microsoft Corporation generated revenues of $52.75 million in the fiscal second quarter of 2023, representing a year-over-year growth of 1.97%. The company's shares have risen by 8.85% year-to-date, and analysts see an upside potential of 11.99% for the stock. Number 12. Visa Incorporated, ticker, V. Visa is a financial services company that operates a global electronic payments network. Visa is the market leader for both credit cards and debit cards, and it has been expanding into new markets. V has increased its dividend for 14 consecutive years. Trevor Williams at Jefferies holds a buy rating on Visa Incorporated shares as of March 2023. Shares of Visa Incorporated have risen by 5.43% year-to-date as of March 15. The average price target on the stock on Wall Street is $261.29, with a high forecast of $293. Analysts see an upside potential of 19.5% for the shares. A total of 177 hedge funds were long Visa Incorporated in the fourth quarter, with a total stake value of $26.5 billion. Number 11. Meta Platforms Incorporated, ticker, META. Meta Platforms Incorporated is the communication services company behind social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. The company is based in Menlo Park, California. Bank of America's Justin Post holds a buy rating on Meta Platforms Incorporated shares as of March 2023. Meta Platforms Incorporated expects to generate revenues between $26 billion and $28.5 billion in the first quarter of 2023. The company's shares have risen by 55.54% year to date as of March 15. Analysts on Wall Street see an upside potential of 13.73% for the stock. Number 10. NVIDIA Corporation, ticker NVDA. NVIDIA Corporation is an information technology company based in Santa Clara, California. The company provides graphics and computing and networking solutions. It operates in the US, Taiwan, China, and internationally. As of March 2023, Raymond James has a strong buy rating on NVIDIA Corporation shares and a $290 price target. As of this March, the shares of NVIDIA Corporation have recovered from their 2022 lows, showing a growth of 68.1% year to date. Analysts see the stock rising further and have an average price target of $256.59 on the stock, with a high forecast of $350. This represents an upside potential of 6.63%. Citadel Investment Group was the largest shareholder in NVIDIA Corporation at the end of the fourth quarter, holding 17.9 million shares. In total, 106 hedge funds were long the stock, with a total stake value of $6.1 billion. Number 9. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated, ticker BRK.A. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated is a financial company that does business all over the world in insurance, freight rail transportation, and utilities. The company is based in Omaha, Nebraska. It offers property, casualty, life, accident, and health insurance and reinsurance, among others. UBS analyst Brian Meredith holds a buy rating on Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated shares as of February 7. The analyst also placed a $542,568 price target on the shares. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated has a wide range of businesses, a strong balance sheet, and a lot of cash on hand. Analysts at UBS believe that the company's shares are trading at a more than 20% discount to their intrinsic value. Over the past 6 months, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated shares have risen by 10.72% as well. Analysts on Wall Street have placed an average price target of $518,306 on the shares, with a high forecast of $556,612, representing an upside potential of 12.23%. Number 8. Apple Incorporated, ticker AAPL. Apple Incorporated is another information technology company on our list of stocks recommended by ChatGPT. It designs, manufactures, and markets smartphones under the iPhone brand, along with related products such as the AirPods, Apple Watch, MacBook, and more. The company is based in Cupertino, California. Daniel Ives at Wedbush holds an outperform rating on Apple Incorporated shares as of March 8, alongside a $190 price target. Apple Incorporated shares have been up by 22% year to date as of March 2023. The company generated a 53% return on capital in the fourth quarter and generated revenues of $117.15 billion. Analysts have an average price target of $170.40 on Apple Incorporated shares, with a high forecast of $210. Berkshire Hathaway was the largest shareholder in Apple Incorporated at the end of the fourth quarter, holding 895 million shares. In total, 135 hedge funds were long the stock, with a total stake value of $136.4 billion. Number 7. Intuitive Surgical, ticker ISRG. Intuitive Surgical makes this list because demand for robotic surgery is likely to increase in the next decade. That will be good news for the company's Da Vinci surgical system, which is already showing strong growth. In the company's most recent quarter, it saw 12.9% year-over-year growth in the Da Vinci system's installed base. The company's revenue has grown sharply since being severely curtailed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But the company is dealing with the effects of inflation, which have negatively impacted earnings and the company's stock price, which is down over 4% in the last 12 months. That being said, analysts are expecting to see double-digit growth in earnings in the next 5 years. Growth like that is one reason ISRG stock easily makes the list of growth stocks that can make you rich in the next decade. Number 6. ChargePoint, ticker CHPT. The only thing you need to know about the potential for the electric vehicle market is how much money governments are investing in this transition. But one key to the mass adoption of EVs will be the elimination of range anxiety. That's where ChargePoint comes in. ChargePoint is the world's leading provider of electric mobility charging solutions, and it is also the market leader in North America. Between 2020 and 2026, sales of passenger EVs are expected to have a compound annual growth rate of 51%. If you believe that charge points growth can be proportional to that, its stock looks compelling. And the company just made a deal with Mercedes-Benz Group and MNB Energy to greatly increase the number of EV fast chargers in the US and Canada. Investors have soured on CHPT stock. And you should also be mindful of the fact that ChargePoint is not profitable and is not expected to be for several years, despite dramatically increasing revenue. Still, if you're trying to find growth stocks that will make you rich in 10 years, it's okay to take some risks. Number 5. Applied Materials, ticker, AMAT. Applied Materials makes this list of stocks that will make you rich in 10 years because of its focus on nanotechnology. This is a sector that is concerned with building materials on the scale of atoms and molecules. By itself, that's intriguing. Now you add to it the fact that nanotechnology is expected to play a key role in the growth of several key sectors such as pharmaceuticals, aerospace, solar panels, and even food. Grand View Research forecasts the global nanomaterials market will more than double from $21 billion in 2021 to over $41 billion in 2027. Analysts who predict single-digit revenue and earnings per share growth over the following 5 years may not predict that growth. Applied Materials is a company with a strong foundation that has one of the highest profit margins in its industry and is priced right. Number 4. Palo Alto Networks, ticker, PANW. The next sector to look for growth stocks that will make you rich in 10 years is cybersecurity. There are many names to choose from, but we'll choose Palo Alto Networks. Palo Alto is in a good position to take advantage of the growing demand for cybersecurity because it is the clear leader in the field. Palo Alto was recently named the top global cybersecurity vendor. This distinction supports the company's premium valuation. And analysts seem to agree. The consensus rating is a moderate buy, and the stock has a price target of $216.11, which is a 46% gain from the stock's current level. Analysts also expect the company to grow earnings at a pace of over 19% in the next 5 years. Number 3. Alphabet Incorporated, ticker, GOOGL. Alphabet Incorporated is another communication services company on our list, offering products and platforms such as Android software, the Google Chrome browser, and more. The company is based in Mountain View, California. As of February 2023, Jefferies analyst Brent Thill holds a buy rating on Alphabet Incorporated shares. Alphabet Incorporated shares have risen by 5.44% year to date as of March 15. As of March, the company had about $113 billion in cash and short-term investments. Analysts see an upside potential of 37.7% for the shares. Out of the 943 hedge funds tracked in the fourth quarter, 209 funds were long Alphabet Incorporated, with a total stake value of $18.9 billion. Number 2. IBM, International Business Machines Corporation, ticker, IBM. IBM is a multinational technology and consulting company that sells hardware, software, and services to a wide range of industries. The company was founded in 1911 and is headquartered in Armonk, New York. IBM is organized into 5 business segments: Cloud and Cognitive Software, Global Business Services, Global Technology Services, Systems, and Global Financing. The Cloud and Cognitive Software segment has cloud platforms and cognitive applications like Watson, blockchain, and Red Hat. In the past few years, IBM has been putting money into new technologies like AI, blockchain, and quantum computing. It has also been shifting its focus to areas that are growing quickly, like cloud computing and hybrid cloud solutions. As of September 2021, IBM had a market capitalization of approximately $124 billion and a dividend yield of approximately 4.6%. IBM has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 25 consecutive years. Number 1. Amazon Incorporated, ticker, AMZN. Amazon.com Incorporated is a consumer discretionary company that sells consumer products and subscriptions through online and physical stores. The company is based in Seattle, Washington. Rob Sanderson at Loop Capital holds a buy rating on Amazon.com Incorporated shares as of February 14, 2023. Wall Street analysts have an average price target of $137.05 on Amazon.com Incorporated shares, with a high forecast of $192. They see an upside potential of 44.45% on the shares. The stock has also risen by 10.56% year to date as of March 15, 2023. This concludes our list of the 15 stocks ChatGPT says could make you rich in 10 years. As always, Do your own research before investing in any stock and consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure about any investment decisions. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.